Welcome to Okamoto Corporation. My name is Victor Trulson and I'm with the Technical Sales and Applications Department. Okamoto Corporation is the largest, most diverse grinding company in the world. Okamoto produces a wide variety of surface grinders, internal grinders, cylindrical grinders, rotary grinders, and ultra-precision surface and ID/OD grinding machines. Okamoto was established in 1935 and produced its first surface grinder in 1953. Shortly thereafter, Okamoto produced the first CNC surface form grinding machine in the world. Okamoto has 4 offices in the U.S., one in Vernon Hills, Illinois, one in Hartford, Connecticut, one in Louisville, Kentucky, and one in Santa Fe Springs, California. Thank you for joining us on a short tour of the Vernon Hills office showroom. All showrooms and all offices are open for demos and test cuts. If you have any questions, please contact Okamoto.